Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome to our video. I am Nur Alisha, who will be the moderator, which will discuss interesting topic contained languages, structural consequences of social factor. Before we go to the material, introduction my group member, Fatmawati Syam, Cindy Fatikasari, and Andi Muhammad Duri. Okay, let's get into the material. Contact languages. This presentation will explore the fascinating worlds of contact languages, examining their emergence, structure, and impact on language diversity. Defining contact languages. Contact languages emerge when speakers of different languages come into contact. This can occur through turn, migration, colonization, or other forms of interaction. Pidgins. Simplified languages that emerge for communication between groups who speak different languages. Creoles. Languages that develop from pidgin and become the native language of a community. Mixed languages. Languages that combine features of two or more languages. Language blends. Languages that refer from the mix-in of words and grammatical structure from two or more languages.
Structural consequence of contact. Contact can lead to significant change in language structure, including phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantic. Phonological change. Sound system can be simplified or become more complex, with new sound being borrowed or adapted. Morphological change. Word formation process can be influenced with new affix being borrowed or adapted. Syntactic change. Word order and grammatical rules can be modified with elements from both source language influencing the result language. Social factor influencing contact language. Social factors play a crucial role in the development and evolution of contact language, shaping their structure and use. Number 1. Power dynamic. The relative power of the interacting group can influence the direction of linguistic change. Number 2. Social status. The prestige of the language involved can influence language choice and the adoption of linguistic feature. Number 3. Language attitude. The attitude of speakers toward their language can influence the degree of language mixing and adoption of feature. Number 4. Social network. The structure of social network can influence the speed of language change.
Linguistic outcomes of contact. Contact language can result in a variety of linguistic customs, ranging from subtle change to emergence of entirely new language. Number 1. Language shift. One language may be replaced by another, often due to social or political pressure. Number 2. Code switching. Speaker may alternate between two or more languages in a single conversation. Number 3. Language borrowing. Words and phrases from one language are incorporated into another. 4. Language convergence. Languages may become more similar over time due to contact. Language creation. New language can emerge from pidginization and creolization. Pidgins and creoles. Examples of contact language. Pidgins and creoles provide clear example of how contact can lead to the emergence of new language. Pidgin. Simplified language used for communication between speakers of different language. Creole. Language that develops from a pidgin and becomes the native language of a community. And the last is example, Tok Pisin, a Creole language spoken in Papua New Guinea.
Now, implication for language diversity and preservation. The study of contact tongues has important implication for language diversity and preservation, raising awareness of the dynamic nature of language and the need for safeguarding language heritage. The first is language loss. Contact can lead to language loss as dominant languages may displace smaller languages. The second is language revitalization. Understanding the process of language contact can inform efforts to revitalize endangered languages. The third is language policy. Contact languages can be used to promote communication and understanding across cultures. The last is conclusion and future direction. Contact languages are a fascinating area of study that shed light on the complex process of language evolution, the influence of social factors on linguistic change, and the importance of language diversity. The first is future research. Future research is need to explore the long-term consequence of contact languages and language structure and the second is language documentation. Effort to document and preserve contact languages are crucial for understanding language evolution. The last is global perspective. A global perspective is needed to study the diverse range of contact languages worldwide.
That is our group presentation. As a moderator, I apologize for the shortcoming. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.